I'm back. Minus the cameraman, we're back on my phone. So if the camera works dodgy again, I'm sorry. But we have, as you might be able to see, a lovely Traybake cake. Oh, golden brown, nice crumb effect, as Mary Berry would say. All good to go and be filled with our lemon drizzle mix, which I'm going to do now. So I have trimmed the edges just to make it a little bit neater, a bit nicer. I might pop some around to my neighbour next door in a bit later. So I thought, well, I'll make it look nice and neat for her. What we're going to do now is mix, I suppose, your lemon drizzle mix up. Well, I've done a little bit already, so I'll put our cake to one side. This is our lemon drizzle mix. It's basically just loads of granulated sugar, the juice of your lemons, and obviously in this case lime. It's about 150 grams of granulated sugar to the juice of your 2 lemons. I've probably done a little bit more than I actually need, but I think it's better to have more than less. I've saved half a lemon to show you a really, really handy technique. Now, if you've got a lemon squeezer, you won't need to do this. But rather than trying to squeeze it with your hand into the jug like so, get yourself a handy fork and just stick your fork in and twist it. Make sure you get any pips out because you don't want to hit pips in your juice. But basically, just twist your lemon until it breaks up. Bit of a pip there. Get any out that fall in. But that's the easiest way to juice a lemon or a lime without a juicer. Perfect. Give it a good mix. I should have called it a sugar syrup actually. That's the right word for it. So that's all ready to go. Move that out of the way. Bring your cake back. Now, preferably you'd have a metal skewer to do this. I've only got a bamboo skewer. Should be alright though. Yeah, it'll be fine. Basically, all we're going to do is take the pointy end of this and just poke lots of holes. Don't go all the way through your cake. Just about 2/3 of the way through your cake, all the way along. Okay? I forgot to say as well, when I took my cake out after 40 minutes, it wasn't quite ready. So I put some tin foil over it because the edges were starting to go a little bit dark. That's another reason why I've trimmed the edges off. And I gave it another 15 minutes. When it came out that time, I put my knife in it. I put a sharp knife into the middle 2 or 3 times and it came out clean. When it comes out clean with no crumb on it or just a slight bit of crumb, it's perfect, it's ready to go. I then left it on the side for about 10 to 15 minutes just to cool off a little bit, and I took it out the dish. And then adding the sugar syrup to settle into the cake and set while the cake is warm and whilst it's still cooling down. I shouldn't really have trimmed the edges of the cake before whilst the cake was still warm, but I couldn't put the scruffy slightly brown edges on camera, could I? So I've trimmed it whilst it's warm. So yeah, that's that. I'm just going to poke all my holes here and come back to you and I'll show you what we're doing.